Hi guys, my name is Hong Jingxiang. Together with my teammates Liu Jinghui, Lim Yongsheng, Lau Dengjian, and Quek Jinpeng, environmental problems linked to plastic waste have become a major concern in Malaysia. The country has been ranked 8th in the world where plastic waste is the worst managed. In this case, many authorities and communities are trying their best to improve and restore the current situation. In conjunction with Earth Day 2023, UTM Green DNA is going to organize a beach cleaning and planting campaign which entitled Together Beach Clean. The venue of this event is set at Desaru Beach area on 22 April of 2023. And please take note that there are only 30 seats provided to UTM students. The first objective of this campaign is to improve the coastal and ocean ecosystem by cleaning the beach area and planting more mangrove trees. In addition, awareness about popular environmental issues like pollution can be raised among students and at the same time promote togetherness among students as well as encourage them to participate in similar volunteering activities in the future.
It is about the financial statement of this activity. The apparatus we need to use for the rubbish collecting activity including clippers, gloves, and plastic bag, while apparatus needed for tree planting are shower, gloves, and tree saplings. The estimated costing for the apparatus is around 830 ringgit. Adding with 600 ringgit of transporting fee, the total estimated cost will be around 1,400 ringgit Malaysia. Hence, the average cost per pax will be 50 ringgit Malaysia for maximum 30 participants. Regarding the activities schedule, we will have 5 time slots on the activity day. On 8 o'clock morning, all the participants will have a gathering and estimated to arrive at the beach on 10. The short briefing will be given, and rubbish cleaning should be complete before the midday. After that, we will have a lunch time at the nearest restaurant to have a break. 2 o'clock noon will be our next activity, which is mangrove tree planting. 2 hours will be allocated for the activity and estimated to end it on 4 p.m. Then it will be the time for the return journey. Next, I would like to pass to my next college.
Hi, I'm Quek Jinpeng. In deciding this activity, a survey was done to collect information from UTM students on the graduate success attribute that they possess and lack of. The survey received 15 responses. 11 of the respondents were male, 4 were female. Among them, 2 were first-year students, 4 of them were second year, and the rest is third-year students. Next, the result of the survey show that 3 graduate attributes that stands the highest percentage are communication skills, global citizen, and leadership and team working skills. Therefore, this activity was decided based on these 3 graduate attributes to improve. Next, I would like to give the stage to the Lau Dengjian.
Okay, so I'll talk about the importance of graduate attributes. So this activity is important as it helps the development of several graduate attributes such as global citizen, leadership and teamworking skills, and communication skills. As a global citizen, we should always play our role as responsible citizens to ensure that our environment is always clean. Besides that, we should raise awareness or encourage others to take the initiative. Next, this activity also allows both the organizing committee as well as the participants to practice their team working skills. Organizing committee has to show good leadership to resolve any kind of issue that arises during the flow of the event. Last but not least is improving our communication skills. Similarly, our both the organizing committee and the participants need to communicate clearly with each other to carry out their respective tasks. The reason being that the good communication is needed to convey their ideas to others clearly. I'll now pass it to Lim Yong Sheng to talk about his part.
Okay, so I was talking about the monitoring and evaluations. We attempt the opinion from the other groups by engaging the other groups to ask their opinion on this 5 main point, the benefit of these events, UTN success attribute, costing, schedules, and lastly, the things that to be improved. So first, the benefit is that we can save our environment and raise public awareness about pollutions. From this, the concept of 3R, reduce, reuse, recycle can be promoted. For the second point, the UTN attributes. For this point, we mainly wanted to know if our activities are related to UTN success attributes and will it improve students' graduate attributes. So from the interviewee, our activities are related and can be improved students' graduate success attributes. After that, we for the costing is affordable, but from the interviewee opinions, it can be improved. For example, we can run the tools such as shower and also the clipper, so on, in order to reduce the cost. For the schedule, the preferable time for the activities to be carried out is during the weekends, and we can add more time for the schedule for the events so that it will be not so packed. Other than that, they think we can involve more students in these activities. That's it. Thank you.